Hey everyone, in today's episode of Medula, we have with us Dr. Balvinder Singh Thakkar, who is the President of Indian Orthodontic Society and the Managing Director of Jaipur Dental Hospital. Welcome to our program, Medula sir.
Thank you so much.
So my first question to you is, what made you choose orthodontics in your MDS?
Well, orthodontics, the first branch of dentistry, I was always too much fascinated with how the teeth can get corrected, teeth can move, and a smile can be given without doing anything which is very artificial. So I was always very fantasized with people who used to wear those metallic things in their mouth, and after 1 year I used to see them with the beautiful smiles. So that made me choose orthodontics as a profession.
So what are your roles as the President of Indian Orthodontic Society?
Role of a president of Indian Orthodontic Society is very vast. First of all, because being the president of Indian Orthodontic Society, we have to make sure that India has a landmark picture on the world map. And second is, as of the curriculum which is concerned, the students who are reading dentistry or doing post graduation, there is a prescribed curriculum. Like everything is moving towards a digital era now, so we have to keep upgrading the curriculum. So those are certain parts, and how the conferences are to be conducted, how the meetings have to be there, how international relations have to be even more strengthened.
That is really such a huge responsibility, sir.
Yeah, I know.
How was your experience while filming the life of a dentist?
Fantastic. I like doing acting, and somehow when the people from Germany contacted me for taking the lead role in a journey of a dentist in Jaipur. So when they came to me, I always appreciated the thing that they are liking something about Indian dentistry, and they also liked the way we treated our patients, because I've been promoting dental tourism from a long time. So they understand how the patients are to be treated, let it be Indian or American, but they have to be treated at par with the international standards. So I really enjoyed that particular role.
So you have promoted dental tourism in India. So what according to you is the future of this in our nation?
Yes, there are various companies, various agencies which have started working on insurance plans, but because dentistry is very expensive and very vast, so I doubt they would be able to give full cover over insurance plans, but still part is also given, that will make a lot of difference to the Indian dental healthcare, because in the end what we are looking at is, we want all the Indian dental mouths to be really healthy. So which is only possible if at all they get some aid from somewhere, because the general population cannot afford, a general say BPL patient, that could be below poverty line patient, cannot afford to go to a dental clinic, or because they think there are 32 teeth, they can still manage one or the other.
So do you think dental colleges in India emphasize enough on research?
Yes, they do. They are actually, all the dental colleges have a fixed research quota now. There are certain colleges which have got fixed patents. They have to do in a year, they would have to do some X number of patents. So the scenario is changing, but because it's an ever evolving field, the research has to continue. We are doing quite a lot on research, but still many more things have to come up, like stem cells in dentistry, like beauty and aesthetics, like digital dentistry. So there has to be research which is still to go a long way, and we are doing quite a bit of that.
So coming to my last question, what according to you makes a person successful, hard work or smart work?
100% smart work with a little bit of hard work factor. If at all we only talk about hard work, it doesn't make sense, because you would be working hard all your life, but you would not be able to fetch much. If you work smart, makes a lot of a difference. You can deploy works, like tomorrow there is a presentation of mine in which also I'll be talking about majorly you have to deploy your responsibilities and go look further. If at all we get stuck to working hard and stay there, we cannot grow to where we should be. So working smart is most important.
Thank you so much, sir, for coming today and giving us your valuable interview.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.